हेलो फ्रेंड, टुडे वी कैन डिस्कस अबाउट द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स एंड द ग्रेविटी। तो पहले ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स मतलब क्या होता है? द म्यूचुअल फोर्स बिटवीन द टू बॉडी of attracting to each other is known as gravitational. It denotes the Newton universal law of gravitation. It law states that every object in the universe attract each other with a force called gravitational, which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the distance between their center. It's in the universe, every object attract each other. One attract other and other attract other. There is a force between them of attracting, but we can observe only the force in a very big masses. In the universe, that will also be the find in the universe. And me and with the Markle, there is a force, mutual force of attractions between Markle and me. But it cannot be the observed because this mass and my mass is so negligible. We doesn't be the find out the gravitational force. But in a heavenly object, heavenly body, we can find observe that the force known as a gravitational force. Simply I goes to prove the Newton the gravitational force according to the Newton universal law of gravitation. First of all, what he said? He said that every object in the universe attract each other with a force called gravitational. It directly proportional to the product of their masses. Always exist gravitational forces. Always exist in between two bodies, two heavenly bodies. That is small or big, it doesn't matter. But we can finally discuss about the heavenly body because in a small object there is a so negligible force. So we can't be the take as a small subject. We take always with the big object heavenly body. First, according to the first condition, gravitational force denoted by the F is directly proportional to the product of their mass. M1, let mass be the M1 and M2. By keeping the distance between them constant. Distance is constant. Simply we can get M1 mass, M2 mass. There is a distance between the centers is d square. D. What is the gravitational force between them? Simply first equation, that is the first, and second condition is what saying that gravitational force is inversely proportional to the distance of their squares between their center. It is the second equation. Understand? It is the second equation that the gravitational force is inversely proportional to the square of their distance between their center. Now combining the first and second equations so that F proportions to M1 M2 by d square. Is that clear? By combining is that equation is find. After that, we always observe and take that for the proportionalities. For removing the proportionality sign, we have always take the constant value. Now we have a constant value known as a G. M1 M2 upon d square. Is that clear? Proved. It is the formula to find the gravitational force between any two bodies, two heavenly bodies, which separated by the some distance. It is the formula. What G? G is known as a universal gravitational constant. Gravitational constant, its value is always the constant. Its value is approximately 6.67 into 10 the powers minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Is the value of G. It is always the constant for every object in the universe. So we can put the values of constants after removing the proportionalities. Always remember that point. Simply that clear. Gravitational formula is being defined. Gravitational force. What is the importance of the gravitational force? Gravitational force is a so most important thing because gravitational force for that our earth revolve around the sun and the moon revolve around the earth. It is possible due to the gravitational force of the heavenly body between the sun, moon and the earth. In this way, all the planet satellites are revolve around this due to the gravitational force between them. Is that clear? It can possible the atmosphere, presence of atmosphere. The tides occur in the ocean and ocean is observed due to the gravitational force of due to the force of gravitational. We can observe that. The most question is what is asked in your exam. We can observe the tide and ocean. We can observe tide and waves in the ocean and the sea, but we can't observe the tides waves in the lake, river. Why? What does it mean? Because what I always said, the gravitational force is always observed in a big masses. Neither it can be just so negligible, we can't take it measurement as a measurement. In a ocean, what is this? In a ocean river, in a ocean lake, there is a huge amount of the water, so their mass is just so many. In this way we can observe the tides and the waves. But in case of the river, lakes, there is no presence of the huge amount of the mass, that is water. So we can't observe the wave and tide in the river and lake, but we observe in ocean and sea due to the mass. Understand? And in every object there is a force known as a gravitational. That is the one man to one man. There is also with the but like that. One apple is fall from the branches of the tree. Then there is a gravitational force between them. Apple also attract the earth towards its center, and the earth also attract the apple towards its center. But due to the heavy mass of the more gravitational force of earth, the gravitational force of the earth, attraction force of the apple is not observed due to the more gravitational force of earth. So earth attract the apple towards its center. Understand? It is possible we can throw anything in the space, then it can back towards the earth. Why it is possible? Due to the gravitational force. Gravity is like a special condition, like that same. Understand? It can be the possible. And gravitational force, gravity. What do you mean by gravity? Gravity is simply known the attraction force of the earth is known as a gravity. The earth which attract any object towards its center is known as a gravity. Gravity is just much important thing, because gravity is also makes the people daily activities can be possible. We walk. The earth, the houses, buildings are contracted in the earth due to the force of gravity. If the gravity is not being present, then there is no atmosphere, there is no presence of the atmosphere's oxygen, so we can alive in that earth. It can make possible our lives due to the gravity. How does the value of SI unit find after universal gravitational constant? Simply that F is equals to G m1 m2 upon d square. Is that clear? And what is the unit of the force? The unit of the always that is any force, gravitational force, any force is that unit is Newton, because they find about the firstly proposed by the and observed by the studies by the Newton. So Newton. And C, simply what is you can find in the below one and cross multiplies F into d square. So what is the SI unit of the distance? Distance is meter square upon m1 into m2. What does it mean? m1 into matlab kg square is equal to g. So simply what does it mean? We can write G is equals to Newton meter square per kg square. Is that clear? Simply we can find the SI unit of the universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant, if we find the value of the mass m1 is equals to m2 and is equal to 1 and d is equals to 1, what is the gravitational force between them? In this condition, the gravitational force is equals to the universal gravitational constant. So we can define universal gravitational constant can be defined as the force between the bodies of a unit mass separated by the unit distance, known as a universal gravitational constant. In this way we can also define universal gravitational constant. And now finally of the gravity. How does the gravity? What I said firstly, I said that the gravitational force and the gravity, there is a special conditions. There is just more similarity between them. So simply what will be? Force is equal to simply mg. We can study mass into and acceleration due to gravity. And second condition what to write? F is equal to g into m1 m2 upon d square. Is that clear? And now combining the both equation, force is equal to always be equals to the force. Understand? Now mg is equals to g m1 m2 upon d square. Is that clear? D square. Now mass of the earth, mass m1, g is equals to g m upon d square. Now from that the value, the formula of the gravity is comes from where? Gravitational force. So simply we can say that the gravity is the special conditions of the gravitational force. Is that clear? It is the formula to find the gravitational force, gravity. We can find always with the earth, always with the imagine. When sometimes you also with the imagine, how is that any place when you go and observe the earth, like a earth is the end and we can see the space like that. The earth is shape is spherical, open, anything orange. Always with the things, sometimes you have things that if we go to the nearest point, then you can jump like and go to the space. Related and things that how our position, where our stand the earth. So simply we cannot be the inside the earth. We can stand, we can live and we can survive on the surface of the earth. Then after some people thinks that my always be the like a head. I always been stand normally, but in some condition, if we from any directions of the earth, if we stand, if we observe, then always be the we can see upward. Then we can observe that the cloud, because due to if we also alive that, and the next person is also alive that. He also observe upper part as a what? Cloud. He also observe upper part as a cloud. It doesn't matter, you can be the live as or below of the earth, then you can fall down. How does it possible? Because due to the gravity and gravity of the earth, gravity always attract each other of the object towards center. He also been attracted by the gravity. He also be attracted by the gravity, so it can't be the fall. See, think that how earth is like that, and how much water, ocean water is been preserved. Why it can't fall down in the space? Because due to the force of the gravity, it attracts towards its center, so it can't be the flow down towards the space. Understand? Simply I hope you can understand about the gravitational force and the gravity and the formula. Thanks for watching.